Dearly beloved, you have come together into the house of the church so that in the presence of the church's minister and the community, your intention to enter into marriage may be strengthened by the Lord with the sacred seal.
I've actually known Kylie since elementary school, so it's been a long time. And I'm just going to share some things, that I've learned about Kylie along the way. Really, the first thing for those, that don't know is Kylie's obsessed with SpongeBob, and Family Guy, and one that I recently learned in Austin when we lived together was Super Duper Sumos. But really what I learned from this is that, Kylie's just, always a kid at heart. I mean, you seriously will make me laugh in any situation. So, I definitely, love that about you. So she is someone, that'll be there for me no matter what. She's there for me when I want to dance it out, when I need to cry it out, when I need to jam it out. She is just my go-to girl and is always there when I need her.
Cameron grew up here in Houston and has known it as home. After graduating from Millsaps in Mississippi, he returned and began his career here as a CPA. He met Kylie, and she has become the biggest part of his life for the past 2.5 years. Today, they will begin their lives as a married couple.
Cameron and Kylie, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you, together with your families and friends.
Cameron, you chose a good one. You shows Kylie the same loyalty and commitment that she shows everyone else around her. When Kylie chooses someone to be in her life, you're there forever, and she is fiercely loyal with her people, and you are as well. The girl who puts everyone else before herself has someone to put her first.
She's amazing. When I was saying my vows yesterday, she finds a way to make life fun. I'm traditionally more of a serious guy, you know what I mean? I'll crack jokes and stuff, but I see life just in really a lot more black and white, but yet she just finds a way to make a fun spin on everything. She makes me laugh, and she is the most sweet, most caring, most thoughtful person I have ever met.
And it gives me great pleasure to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Cameron and Kylie Arndt. You may kiss the bride.
Congratulations to Cameron and Kylie Arndt. Many years of love and happiness.
This is the proudest and happiest moment, watching her and being able to look back on all the years watching her grow up. She was the most beautiful baby, and I'm lucky to have been able to be with her and guide her as she grew into a beautiful and caring woman that she is today. Kim, I couldn't be happier. From now on, she can count on you, and I know in my heart that's true.